Start by clicking the Tools button on the menu bar on the left of the app and select Measure. Choose a geometry type and begin measuring. Measurements can be selected and deleted by pressing the Delete button on your keyboard or using the single trash bin icon in the menu. Use the drop-down menu to change the unit of measurement. Enable snapping and select layers to lock onto. Hover over the layer to snap onto it. Use the Clear All button at the end of the menu to delete all measurements.